SP Traffic Akshat Kaushal on Tuesday stated that the top priority of the Goa police is to address cases of people driving or riding under the influence of alcohol or other intoxicants. Whenever such instances are identified, the police are committed to taking immediate action, he said. Kaushal emphasized that consistent efforts are made to enforce measures against drunk driving, and these efforts will continue. Additionally, he mentioned that regular checks will be conducted at various surprise locations to maintain vigilance. Furthermore, Kaushal mentioned that the Goa police are actively engaged in conducting awareness programs in schools and colleges to interact with students to create awareness on traffic signals and rules.
Therefore, one of our priorities, Goa Police, is to ensure that we take action on anyone who's found to be driving their vehicles under the influence of either any alcoholic substance or any other intoxicant. And whenever we will find such instances, we will take lawful action as has been prescribed. And as part of these, as a step in this direction, we've been regularly taking action on drunken driving. In no way the idea of the traffic police is to discourage the tourists. We would rather we want everyone who comes to Goa to have a good time, but they should also remain safe. What we are doing is that we are trying to keep it a daily exercise. हमारा ये ब्रीफिंग्स के अंदर जो हमारे पीआईज को ब्रीफिंग है और पीआईज का अपने नीचे के स्टाफ को ब्रीफिंग है, वो यही है कि इसके ऊपर रोज एक्शन होगा और वी आर आल्सो हैव बिल्ट इन अ सरप्राइज एलिमेंट इनटू इट. We don't want that the action should happen at the same place every day, but it should happen at different places with least inconvenience to people. The idea is that people should not be inconvenienced in the exercise of doing chalaning, but chalan should happen by ensuring that tourists and everyone finds themselves completely welcomed in Goa. Is that almost on a regular basis हमारे जो PIs हैं are going to schools and colleges and they are having regular interaction with students and with college students and school students, and they are educating them about the rules, they are educating them about what to do while driving. So इससे we will find a lot of change which is happening.
Devendra Kankar for Herald TV.